Hello everyone. In this video of Creo Parametric 6.0, we will create this model with the help of this drawing. So all dimensions here are in mm. So let us see how to create in Creo Parametric. So first of all, we will create these two circles of 22 and 35 mm dia with this slot and we'll extrude it by 30 mm. So let us go to the Creo Parametric, select new part, uncheck this, give the name as per your wish, say OK, and from here select MMS part solid because we are working in mm. Go to extrude, select front plane and sketch view. Now hide from here the datum planes and draw the two circles one by one. First circle, second circle, edit the dimensions. This is 22, this is 35, and zoom fit now. Okay, now here we will draw one center rectangle to create that slot. So here the slot width is 6 and we are provided with one more dimension. So draw here center line, select this center line and this. So here the dimension is given as 24.5. So change it to 24.5 and just delete the unwanted part. So delete this unwanted part one by one. Okay, that's okay. Now say OK, go with the extrusion of 30 mm like this and say OK. Now we'll just display the plane from here. Now we'll create this profile, which is nothing but a center point straight slot. So this profile or sketch is created at a distance of 2 mm from backside face. So we'll create one plane to create that sketch. Create the plane at a distance of 2 mm from backside face. Say OK. Now here one datum plane is added and we will add that sketch or that plane. No, simply say sketch view over here. Now we'll just hide this plane. Take references. Now from here we'll use center and ends. We'll draw an arc like this because this arc is of radius 100 mm. You can see 100 mm over here. Now we'll create some center lines through this point and this point because we are provided with this dimension, that is 30 degree. Now we'll offset this by 6 mm as per drawing. Towards this side, towards inside, keep minus value, 6 mm, close. I will close this one with the help of center and ends. So close this one and close this one. Now we'll just change this line to construction line. Okay, now here you can see dimensions are changing. So make this dimension lock. Immediately after giving the dimension, you will make it lock. So lock this dimension also, lock this one because these are important dimensions. Now we'll again use offset, check a loop, select this and offset it by 6 mm because we want 12 mm outside profile. So this 12 mm radius it is created, and also make it lock. Okay, now we'll create one center line through this point because okay, like this, because from drawing you can see the end of this circle is matching with this end of this arc. So we'll make a use of tangent feature over here to make it tangent. Now our whole sketch is completed. Now say OK, Go with the extrusion of 16 mm from the sketch. 16 mm. Say OK. Now we'll display the plane over here. Now hide this plane because its work is over now. Now we'll create one more plane which is at distance of 3 mm towards this side. Okay, because we want to create this profile, and this profile is nothing but this profile which is at distance of 3 mm. So we'll go with the extrude feature, select this profile and sketch view. Okay, so we'll sketch on that plane which we created. Select the references over here, select this reference, select this reference, this reference, this one. Now close from here. We'll draw one line like this. Okay, so we'll switch on display. Now we'll create one arc over here like this, first, second, third, like this. Later on we'll make it tangent, so select this and this tangent, this and this tangent, and give the radius of this arc to be 175 as per drawing. You can see here it is 175. Now we'll make this curve with the help of offset feature. So 6 mm from both sides. So select offset command, offset this by 6 towards inside. We want this inside, so keep here minus value 6 and close from here. Now we'll create one arc over here like this. First we'll delete the unwanted part with the help of delete segment. Tangent this line and this arc, this line and this arc. Okay, actually it is going in outside, so I will just Control Z this. Control Z this. We'll tangent one by one. Tangent this and this first. Now this and this first. Okay. Now here the dimension, this dimension is given. Gap between them is 6 mm. Okay, we'll project some profile over here. Okay. Now we'll delete the unwanted part. So this is not required. From here we'll delete this unwanted part. This is not required. This also, this also, this one also, this one also, this one also, and this one also. Let's see, our whole sketch is completed. So here you can see a profile remains. Just delete this. Now our sketch is ready for extrusion now. Say OK. And extrude it by 14 mm. Say OK. So we created a whole profile now. Just the remaining feature, we'll provide some round on the edges. So select the round, select first edge, then control press select the second edges. Then we selected the back edges, give here 2 mm round, say OK. Now select the round again. Similarly select this face with the help of control press and select the remaining faces. This edge, and this edge. give 2 mm, say OK. Again we'll select the round, select this face, 2 mm, say OK. Select the round again, select this face and control, press this face. We want it to be 4 mm. OK. So we'll just edit this, edit definition. We'll change it to 4 mm. Say OK. Now in this way the rounds are added and our model, you can see it is ready. We'll give some color to this model. So go to view, select model first, go to appearances, and from here select this. You can see this model now. You can change the color as per your wish. Okay, so previous was okay. This is basically a steel titanium. This is okay. Okay, hope you like this video. Thank you for watching.